Okay, so here is the best way on how you can play any PC game on your Mac OS with GeForce Now. So make sure you watch this tutorial till the end to exactly know what to do. It's very easy and simple. Just follow along these steps and you'll know. First up, what you need to do is just open Safari or Chrome like this. And what you need to do is just press on download GeForce Now, and you gotta type in Mac, you're on MacBook. So once you do this, for me, it shows Windows, but you'll be on Mac. So you just gotta press on Mac, download right over here. As you can see, it shows Mac. Go ahead, press on download. Once you press on download, it will ask you to create or sign in your into your NVIDIA account. So use Google, Apple, or email, whatever you're choosing, and then choose your plan. And then obviously free, or if you wanna go for ultimate, and then choose. And after that, install the GeForce Now app for Mac OS on GeForce Now page. Once as I've showed. Now once it's downloaded, the DMG file has been downloaded. Now you gotta drag GeForce Now into applications and then open GeForce Now. Go to applications and then launch the app, sign in again, add your game to your store account inside GeForce Now, and then click connections. It's usually in the settings. Link your Steam account, Epic Games account, and then Ubisoft. This lets GeForce Now read what games you own. And then after that, search for any game in the search bar, type the game you want. If it's supported, it'll show up, and then click play. And then verify your ownership. It will ask you, to log in into your account sometimes. So you just gotta log in and then start playing on your MacBook. And yeah, this is simply it to enjoy games on your MacBook. So I hope this really helped you out. I'll see you soon in the next one.